to be able to audit expenses of the government. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, even if the small items, the details are omitted, actually, is it not a practice that when the executive department presents its budget of expenditures, although these are stated in those specific bundled items, by bundled details, actually, they supply Congress also with the breakdowns of these items. Do you agree?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so there's also a breakdown, which is also part of the documentation of the budget. So it says, for administrative expenses, but attached to that, the positions and the salaries, etc. Do you agree?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, let us, does this way of describing each item of appropriation in the General Appropriations Act keep the power to appropriate public funds under the control of Congress and enables you to say that money is being spent as Congress has willed it under this present practice?
When we do audit, Your Honor, we
Yes.
actually go by what is described and put forth
Sufficiently
in the,
described in the
GAA. Yes, Your
in
Honor.
the- yeah. Now, let us go to an extreme, an opposite extreme. Suppose the GAA contains just one sentence. The amount of 2 trillion pesos is hereby appropriated to the executive department to be spent for public purposes. Does that way of doing it keep the power to appropriate public funds under the control of Congress?
Your Honor, I will speak here of our role as auditors. In that case,
No, even as an accountant, as a
Yes.
co-auditor, can you say what Congress, how Congress wants money spent?
in that theoretical case, Your Honor, I can imagine. I would suppose that what we will
because
do.
under such case, Congress surrenders to the President its power to determine what specific work, activity, or purpose will be funded and with how much. You agree? In that way, that's the wrong way. Okay. Suppose the GAA contains an appropriation for the DSWD of 80 billion pesos for social welfare development. Nothing more. So it's a lump sum appropriation of 80 billion to the DSWD for social welfare development. Does that way keep the power to appropriate funds still within the control of Congress?
If the appropriation is only as to the amount and nothing more is said, Your
Yes,
Honor?
the amount. And then for social welfare development, does that enable you to audit it properly?
It will be very difficult, Your Honor,
It
if at all
won't, okay.
possible.
Because under such case, if you do it that way, Congress surrenders to the DSWD its power to determine what specific work, activity, or purpose will be funded and with how much. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, so 3 things are needed to keep the appropriations of each item within the control of Congress. First, a sufficiently specific description of the particular work, activity, or purpose for which government money is to be spent. Second, the specific amount of money that can be paid out of the national treasury for that work, activity, or purpose, the specific amount. Okay? And third, the particular government agency or unit that will implement the work, activity, or purpose. Otherwise, you cannot audit it. Okay, do you agree?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now, the Malampaya law appropriates money the government derives from mining gas in the Philippine Sea. Do you agree?
Yes, Your Honor.
It provides that all fees, revenues, and receipts from this exploitation of our natural resources shall form part of a special fund to be used to finance energy resource development and exploitation program. of the government, and for such other purposes as may hereafter be directed by the President. Right? You remember that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, you're the one to audit it. Correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yeah. Does the Malampaya law describe, does Congress in the Malampaya law, or the President, when the original Malampaya law was a petition decree, does Malampaya law describe the specific work, activity, or purpose for which the earnings of Malampaya oil mines is to be spent in the way specific appropriations are made in the Appropriations Act? Does it?
It is a very, we find it to be a
It
very
does not.
generic.
It's like the DSWD appropriations for social welfare development. This one is for energy resource development.
and exploitation.
Somewhat,
Your Honor.
no, okay. So, it appropriates billions of public money to finance energy resource development and exploitation programs. Does the Malampaya law specify the amount of money that can be paid out of the National Treasury for some specific work, activity, or purpose stated in the law? Like, for example, I found in one of the budget, construct one hydroelectric plant in Albay. That's what the appropriations law says. It's so specific. Does the Malampaya law identify the energy project?
No, Your Honor.
No, it does not. No. In effect, well, does the Malampaya law name the particular government agency or unit that will implement the work, activity, or purpose?
No, Your
It
Honor.
does not, because
the
actually
funds
it's
are
the